Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the cylinder above, R is the radius of the base and H is the height of the cylinder. If the volume of the cylinder is equal to the surface area of the cylinder, which of the following is true about the cylinder? Okay, already we know the formula to get the volume of the cylinder, that is pi times r square times height. And this is equal to the surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder means the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, to get the total surface area of the cylinder, first we have to write the lateral surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 times pi RH. And we have to add the areas of two circular bases. One is at the top and the other one is at the bottom. We know that the area of the circle with radius r is pi r square. That is the area of the base we have at the top is a pi r square, and the same area we have at the bottom. So the sum of the areas of two circular bases is 2 pi r square. That is 2 times the area of a circle. Okay, here when I go over the answer choices, it's very clear. So it has been solved for r in terms of h. That is, in this equation we have to solve for r in terms of h. Okay, here what we can do is we can write this one as it is pi r square times h. And what is the greatest common divisor for these two terms? That is 2 times pi r. So we can factor 2 pi r out. When I factor 2 pi r out, then we are left with h in the first term and r in the second term. Okay, here we can divide both sides of this equation by pi r, because here we find pi r, here we find pi r. Okay, now let me do it. So I divide both sides of this equation by pi r. Then this pi r will cancel out over here, and here this pi will cancel out. When I divide this r square by r will cancel out. In this r square, one r will be left out. That is, the square will be cancelled out. So then I'm getting RH on the left side. On the right side, we have 2 times h positive r. Okay, here RH is equal to, we can distribute this 2 to this h and r, then we get 2h positive 2r. Okay, our aim is to solve for r. So let's get the terms which contain r on one side of the equation. Okay, for that let's get rid of this 2r on the right side. Let me subtract 2r from both sides of this equation to get rid of this positive 2r. So this positive 2r, negative 2r will cancel out. I'm getting RH negative 2r on the left side. On the right side, I'm getting 2h. Okay, here we find r in common in these two terms, so we can factor r out. If r is factored out, we get h negative 2 inside the parenthesis. On the right side, we can write this 2h as it is. Okay, now to solve for r, we have to get out this h negative 2. For that, we have to divide both sides of this equation by h negative 2. Here this h negative 2 will cancel out. I'm getting r equals to 2h over h negative 2. Okay, according to the question, we have to find the one which is true about the cylinder in the given answer choices. So we got that r equals to 2h over h negative 2, and we find this stuff in answer choice B. So in the given answer choices, this is the one is true about the given cylinder. So the correct answer choice for this question is B.